My name is Taylor, and this is the 907 Fantasy page. And yesterday we had an absolutely clean sweep. We hit every single play that I sent out. So cannot complain there. We hit the YouTube free play, and then VIP went 3 for 3. That's why you guys want to get over here and get on VIP. Now, if you use the code Houston, it's going to get you 75% off. Or I think I still have that Texas A&M one live. You can get 70% off, but go ahead and use the code Houston, get 75% off between the week pass and the VIP gold level pass. But today is the 21st of October. It is the start of the NBA season. So the NBA season starts tonight, and we got 2 games. We've got Houston, the new look Houston with Kevin Durant there against Oklahoma City. At Oklahoma City, OKC's favored by 7.5, and then Golden State at LA. So this should be a good game. LeBron's not playing. LeBron's out. But we got Luka Doncic in there. And then we got Jimmy Butler, Steph Curry, Al Horford over here on Golden State. So it should be a great day for an opening day for NBA. So I got a free player prop for you today. But if you guys need some free money, go over here and get on Chalkboard. They're going to give you $20 of absolutely free money, no deposit necessary when you use the code 907Fantasy. Same with over here on Sleeper. They're going to give you $20 free money, no deposit necessary. Just use the code 907Fantasy. They're also going to give you a free square. They haven't sent me what it is going to be for Thursday Night Football. But as soon as they do, I'll let you know that. But you can get a free square as well when you use the code 907Fantasy. And then on BETR, they're going to give you $10 of free money. They're also going to give you a free pick. And they're also going to give you up to a $200 bonus on your first deposit. It's legal in all these purple states, so make sure to go over there and get on BETR and get signed up for that. Once again, that's code 907Fantasy. All of those are down in the description below, so take advantage of those. Like I said, VIP Gold Level, VIP Week Pass is 75% off with the code Houston, so get that locked in. But let's go over the winners from yesterday. So this is the YouTube free play that we sent out. Amon-Ra St. Brown, Baker Mayfield, Sam Darnold, Jackson Smith, and Jigba. This was a no sweat. This one he hit in the first quarter. This was a no sweat. This was a no sweat. This one was a sweat. Baker Mayfield hit this late in the fourth quarter, but we could cash that one for 5 into 9. And then these were 3 VIP plays, 10 into 17 with Mayfield and Smith and Jigba, and then Smith and Jigba and Amon-Ra St. Brown, 10 into 17 on both of those. And then we hit this one on VIP, over 4.5 runs between Seattle Mariners and Toronto Blue Jays. Smith and Jigba over 50, he cashed that easily. Under 54.5, and then Detroit Lions plus 4.5, so for 5 into basically 9 there. So some nice wins over on VIP and the free play. If you guys ever want to get more free plays, get on that free plan over on Winible. That's where you're going to get early access to all of the free plays with multiple to get that locked in. So this is what we're playing with today. We got Kevin Durant. He's discounted over on BETR. So another reason to get on BETR and use the code 907Fantasy when signing up. Kevin Durant, 20.5 points. Over, I'm taking the over. We're going 2 former MVPs. I guess Shai Gilgeous-Alexander is the reigning MVP, but they both won MVP before. Kevin Durant's on the new team. They're going to be looking to come out hot, prove that the extension that they just gave him is worth the money. 20.5 points there for Kevin Durant, taking the over. Matching that up with Gilgeous-Alexander, over 25 points. He was averaging over 30 last year. So I love this line for him. He should come out with that same fire this year as they're looking to defend their title there. So we're turning 5 into 850 here. That is the official YouTube free play. Make sure to go over here on the Winible. There's the alarm. Make sure to go over here on the Winible and get signed up for the free plan, gold level, full week, or the college football NFL season pass. This one will also have NBA as well. But make sure to go over there and get on one of those plans. And let's go have a good day watching Houston at Oklahoma City, Golden State at LA. So good luck with all of your plays today. And let's go cash and have another amazing sweep. And we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.